New Zealand is a beautiful country known for its stunning landscapes, friendly people, and unique culture. From the snow-capped mountains to the beautiful beaches, New Zealand has something for everyone. Here's a guide to help you plan your trip to this amazing country. Best time to visit. The best time to visit New Zealand is during the summer months, December to February, when the weather is warm and sunny. However, the shoulder season, September to November and March to May, can also be a good time to visit as the crowds are smaller and the weather is still pleasant. Visa requirements. Most visitors to New Zealand will need a visa or NSTA, New Zealand Electronic Travel Authority, to enter the country. You can apply for a visa or NSTA online. Flights. There are direct flights to New Zealand from many major cities around the world, including Los Angeles, San Francisco, Vancouver, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Sydney. The main airports in New Zealand are in Auckland, Wellington, and Christchurch. Accommodation. There are plenty of accommodation options in New Zealand, including hotels, motels, hostels, and camping grounds. You can also consider renting a campervan to explore the country. Transportation. New Zealand has a well-developed road network, and driving is a popular way to explore the country. You can rent a car or a campervan. Public transport is also available, including buses and trains. Places to visit. Some of the must-visit places in New Zealand include 1. Milford Sound. 2. Queenstown. 3. Bay of Islands. 4. Abel Tasman National Park. 5. Franz Josef Glacier. 6. Mount Cook National Park. 7. Rotorua. 8. Auckland. 9. Wellington. 1. Activities to do. New Zealand is known for its adventure activities, including 1. Bungee jumping. 2. Skydiving. 3. Ziplining. 4. Whitewater rafting. 5. Hiking. 6. Skiing. 7. Surfing. 8. Scuba diving. 1. Food and drink. New Zealand has a diverse food scene, with influences from all over the world. 1. Some of the must-try dishes include 1. Fish and chips. 2. Pavlova. 3. Hangi, traditional Maori feast. 4. Kiwi burger, burger with beetroot and a fried egg. 5. Poki Poki ice cream. 6. Wine. New Zealand is famous for its Sauvignon Blanc. 1. Culture. New Zealand has a unique and rich culture, with influences from the indigenous Maori people and the European settlers. 1. Some of the must-see cultural attractions include 1. Te Papa Museum in Wellington. 2. Waitangi Treaty Grounds in the Bay of Islands. 3. Tamaki Maori Village in Rotorua. 4. The Haka, traditional Maori dance. 1. Safety. New Zealand is a safe country to visit, but it's always important to take precautions when traveling. 1. Be aware of your surroundings and keep an eye on your belongings. 1. In case of emergency, dial 111.